This video will cover the unboxing of the Kodiak PCIe 6.0 analyzer, tester, and x16 AIC interposer. When you open the box, you will find a packing list. Please confirm this matches your order or demo equipment request. The x16 AIC interposer has connections for the S0 sideband, U0, and D0 QSFP DD data cables. Before installing the interposer, verify that the power to the motherboard or host system is completely off. Do not connect power to the interposer until it is installed in the host system and the DUT is secure in the x16 slot on top of the interposer. After installing the interposer, power the power brick, but do not plug it into the interposer yet. Find the DUT and plug it into the x16 slot on top of the interposer, then continue unpacking the box. There is a power input and switch on the back of the analyzer tester. There are also SMA connectors for clock and trigger signals, and a USB and 1 gig Ethernet port for maintenance. Do note the system fans for the unit and the vent fans for the PSU. Do not block them. On the front, the unit has a 1 gig Ethernet port, 2 USB ports, 2 Oculink connectors, 2 10 gig SFP Plus connections, the LCD screen, upstream and downstream cable connections, sideband cable connector, and on top, there are more vent holes. Do not block them. Start by plugging an Ethernet cable into one of the ports on the analyzer tester, then power on the analyzer tester system. Verify the power switch is in the off position, connect the cable to power and the PSU, and turn the switch on. While the analyzer tester is powering on, connect the QSFP DD data and MCIO sideband cables. Follow the silkscreen labels and installation instructions, and do not force any cables into their connections. They should lock in easily without excessive force. When powering on the interposer, note the orientation of the power connector. The arrow on the barrel should be 180 degrees away from the front face of the interposer. Do not force the connector in, and only use serial tech supplied power bricks with the fixtures. Once the analyzer tester has powered on, the LCD will show a home screen with the serial number, host name, alias, and IP address if the user has connected it to a network or set a static IP. It will also show the interposer or fixture connected to the unit and its serial number. The right side of the LCD will show the current link status and provide a quick overview of any traffic going through the fixture or interposer. Thanks for watching, and please contact us at support@serialtech.com with any questions or requests for help.